Ordering a new Leka system couldn't be easier or more comprehensive for your customer. They simply send an inquiry through our website, leaving their contact number. The inquiry will be picked up by a Leka office, who will then contact the customer to pre-qualify the inquiry before it will be sent to you, the Leka certified installer. As a Leka certified installer, you will then contact the customer to arrange a site visitation. All qualified Leka installers are capable of providing a detailed quotation. So, what does becoming a Leka installer entail? Firstly, you will be trained to fully understand the unique benefits of the system. Each superior layer of the Leka system is explained in detail to assist you in providing a tailored solution for the homeowner. As a Leka installation company, you will receive a corner sample as part of a pack that can be shown in meetings. Finally, you will be fully tested to ensure your knowledge of the system is of the highest standard. After your meeting, you will supply a quote. If you secure an order for a Leka system, a site survey will need to be undertaken to obtain final measurements. The full specification of the roof is then provided to a certified fabricator to manufacture the roof components to exacting standards. Next, the roofing system is designed by fabricators using specialised 3D software. The system is then sent to the shop floor for measuring and cutting, and then packaging. Next, your roofing system is ready for assembly and shipped out. To ensure quality assurance, installers will need to undertake an installation course. All of our installers undergo intensive training delivered by our technical director before being tested and certified. Your existing conservatory roof is dismantled and removed from site. The GRP structure is erected and secured. A high-grade pre-cut Celotex insulation is then inserted into your roof structure and taped. External Leka sheets are then layered accordingly before a membrane is added. The external Leka high-grade membrane is then added onto the boards. Your Leka system is now weather-tight. Either a Metrotile or Tapco external tile finish is assembled. Wiring for lights is run prior to the internal Leka sheets being fitted. Congratulations! You have a brand new, long-lasting and lightweight Leka warm roofing system.